Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my brand new video. If you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Guys, sorry, this is something new, something that we never done. I'm kind of scared, guys. Ugh, come on. I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Did you hear that?
I don't know what was that, guys, and I didn't do that.
Guys, I am here in my car right now at 3 a.m. I'm about to unwrap a carrot cake because, I don't know. You know, that's just the point of the video. I'm just gonna talk, honestly. I don't know, like, what the hell? Am I supposed to tell a scary story or something? Oh. Oh. Ooh.
Oh, you're so beautiful too.
Oh my god. I'm scared. Like... What the fuck? How am I gonna hold this and, like, tell you guys the story? Like... Hi, sister! Let's just... I guess... Okay, we're not gonna hold it. So, what we got here is, guys, we got a Muhammad that's almost fumes, a carrot cake that we're gonna about to eat. Oh, I know what I can tell you guys. Okay, so this was yesterday as I'm speaking, and like I shouldn't be doing this because of yesterday, but guys, I literally almost had a panic attack. So I was like big chiefing, you know, I'm a big chiefer. I was chiefing, and like I went to go chill, and I was like doing fine, and then all of a sudden, like, I started having a panic attack. Like, literally, like, I was started shaking. Like, it was so scary at the time. Like, I'm making fun of it, but like at the time it was hella scary. And it's like, bro, I ain't quit low-key, but who's gonna finish the rest of what I have? So after I'm done with everything that I got, guys, I'm gonna take a little tolerance break because it is time. Honestly, like, that was God's sign telling me, like, you need to slow your roll. So I'm gonna slow my roll. So yeah. Okay, so this is the carrot cake. Sorry guys, I can't like show you guys any. It's like, ew, actually, mm-mm. Oh hell, guys, this shit is fucking like, it's like stale or something. It's fucking old, I think. Look at the frosting. It's like, oh, what the fuck did I just eat? What the fuck did I just eat? What the fuck did I just eat? That shit tasted fucking horrible. Oh my god. I'm literally chug this water right now because oh my god, that fucking tastes like shit, guys. Like, I do not recommend. I did not recommend that. I got a light-skinned friend.
Friend look like Michael Jackson.
I got a light-skinned friend. Looks like Michael Jackson. I got a white-skinned friend. Look like Michael Jackson. What the hell? Why do I look like Mia Khalifa, the boy version?
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he does he kiss ya?
Why, y'all, man? Alright guys, so let's get right to it. Let's get to the steezy. You know, the big steezy. Raise it on. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way so you guys can see. I should not even. Oh my god, guys, look at my eyes. Oh my god. Hell no. I'm hella high up in this bitch at 3 a.m. Guys, damn, that shit hit me for real. I'm feeling these glasses, not gonna lie. It's giving like Gucci Couture or something, or whatever the brand is called. Guys, I don't know any like scary stories to tell you guys. Like, I don't know any scary stories. Let me think. I don't know, but I can make one up. So, once upon a time, there was this one girl. Let's call her Brit Barbie. So, Brit Barbie was walking. She was walking with Miss Sally Walker. And, like, oh my god, I don't know what the fuck. Okay, hold on. Once upon a time, there was a man. A man. Oh, I don't know, guys. I'm scared. I don't want to say no scary story. I'm about to go outside. No, thank you. So, guys, I'm going back inside because I don't want like a skinwalker or something. Ooh. Anyways, I don't want like a skinwalker or anything to come and kill me. So I'm gonna go inside because I don't play with that. So, yo. Sorry guys, I didn't finish the brownie. It was so fucking nasty. Like, I would not recommend that shit. It literally tastes like bounce the fuck that ass. Like, I usually get them, but this time, no. The fucking frosting was stale, and it was disgusting, honestly. Hell no. Oh my god, the water literally spilled all my fucking crotch, guys. What the hell? Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry guys, I'm not entertaining. Or am I? I don't know.